A fast flashing indicator light is called the hyperflash. When this happens, this means that one of your indicator light bulbs is busted. So let's fix that today. Hello and welcome to How to Helen, where you learn something different every day. In this episode, we will be replacing the front driver's side turn signal light bulb for this 2005 Porsche Cayenne. Now, the model number for the replacement bulb is PY21W or LLB2. I'll flash the information on the screen. The first thing we need to do is locate your headlight housing removal tool. That tool is located in your trunk, underneath the trunk lid, along with your other emergency tools. This is the specific Porsche tool that you need, and if you don't have it, you can buy it at a Porsche dealer, eBay, or Amazon. Or if you don't want to, you can try to use a 6mm hex socket, but you need the long one because you need to reach the headlight housing screw. The headlight screw is located behind this plastic cover. To remove this plastic cover, you just have to put a screw on the outer side and you can flip it open, just like that. That screw in there is what we need to twist. You need to twist it clockwise to release the headlight housing. Now I will insert the socket tool and twist it clockwise, and you will see the headlight move a little forward. Twisting it clockwise. And you see it is releasing the headlight housing. Pull the headlight housing all the way out. Here's the back view of the headlight assembly. The turn signal bulb is located on the right. This is the base of the turn signal bulb. To remove this, you have to turn it 1/4 counterclockwise and pull it out. There is your bulb. Now, same thing, twist the bulb counterclockwise 1/4 and pull it out. Now let's put in the new bulb. With the new bulb, if possible, please wear gloves so you don't transfer moisture from your hand to the bulb filament. Now, the bulb has these 2 notches. You just have to align it on the base, push it down, and twist it again until it holds. Now let's put the base and the bulb inside the headlight assembly. Same thing, push it in, then turn it 1/4 clockwise this time, and now it would hold. Now let's put this back in the car. To reinstall the headlights, we have to align the bottom with the housing guides and push it back in its position. After pushing it back in its position, turn it counterclockwise until you hear a strong snap. Don't worry, it's not going to be breaking. It's just a snap for locking it in place. There you go. Then put back the plastic cover for the headlight screw. And you're done. Now let's check if the turn signal is working properly. Let's turn on the car and turn on the signal light. And there you can see it's not hyper flashing anymore. Here's the bulb flashing and functioning properly in front. This process is applicable also for the passenger side turn signal bulb. And that is how you replace the front driver side turn signal bulb on this 2005 Porsche Cayenne. This has been another episode of How to Helen. My name's Arjaf, and thank you for watching. If you need to change the other side, this process is applicable. This process is applicable to the other side as well. This process is also... We will be replacing the driver side front turn signal light. What? The front turn signal, the front driver side turn signal bulb. The front driver side light. Front driver side turn signal light bulb. A turn signal light bulb on this 2005. The replacement process for this light bulb is also applicable for this turn signal bulb. The replacement process for the in this episode we will be replacing a busted headlight. In this episode we will be replacing. Is that action? This is the tool that you need. If you don't have this, you can buy it on eBay or Amazon or your local eBay, Amazon, or your local Porsche dealer. This is the tool that you need. If you don't have it, you can buy it at If you don't have it, you need a 6mm hex to remove the hack. If you don't have this, you can also use a If you don't have this, you can buy it at This is very essential in taking out the headlight. If you don't have it, you can buy it at a Porsche dealer, Amazon, or eBay. Or you can... This is very essential in... What? This is the specific Porsche's... This is the specific Porsche. If not, you can try using a 6mm hex socket wrench. And that is how you replace the replacement for the turn signal bulb. The replacement for the turn signal bulb is all. And that is how you replace the turn signal bulb. What? The process that we... And that is how you replace the turn signal light. The process we just did is also applicable for the And that is how you replace the What? And that is how you replace the So that is how you replace. Here is the back view of Here is the back view of the turn signal bulb is located with this. Here's the back view of the headlight assembly. Back view. Here is the back view of the turn. Here is the back view of the turn. Now to remove this, you have to turn it counterclockwise 1/4. Here is the bulb flushing. What? Here is the bulb flushing and flashing. Here is the bulb flashing functioning properly.